This is the basic drawing, so you can just have a look. We are going to be doing basic wash. So now you can see what I'm going to do is I'm going to use only few colors. It's going to be a very light background. So I'm putting water throughout the paper, and the canvas is tilted, so let the gravity work. Right now it's not seen on the screen, but the color that I'm using is ultramarine blue. You can use any blue, but make sure it's light, it's not dark, and let it flow down the way it is seen. Let it just flow down. You can, if you think it's very light, then you can add a little more color, but make sure that the paper is moist. Also, don't worry about where the color is falling, how it is going. This is a basic wash. All the colors need to blend. You have to remove the white colors that are there, the white color of the paper. That's the whole idea. So right now you can see it's falling on the roof. It's absolutely okay. Just let's just put some colors. So I'm going to put after this. Right now I'm using raw umber, or if you might have burnt sienna, so you can use burnt sienna. And this is the steps ke piche ka part, so the road towards the house and the steps. So I'm just adding some brown colors over there, and then there's a plinth kind of a thing. So near the steps you can see there are these horizontal lines that create plinth. So this is some darker, I've added a little bit of red tinge, and I'm just trying to define, but you can see how the colors are just mixing. So don't really worry about, even if it goes here and there, it's absolutely okay. Don't worry about how, where the colors need to be. Now I'm going to make a little darker, so I'm going to add a little bit of raw umber with red, but the pigment is going to be a lot, and niche bhi pani hai, so it's just going to fall. So don't worry a lot. This stage is, even if you make any mistake, it's absolutely okay. So you can see the roof is fully blue now. The house is fully blue. So that's really okay. We'll allow this to dry, and then we'll go on to the next step. Now here I'm going to add a bit of greens also, although it's not seen on the screen, but I'm using lighter shade of green, thoda bright color, and jahan pe I want trees to be there, so it's right next to the house. So I'm going to add some green, lighter greens over here, and on the left hand side where I left it white, there I wanted some greens that will probably cover some part of the house. So I'm just giving, you can see it's a very basic wash, and the colors are like just blending into each other and going here and there, and this is absolutely okay. So here I've also added a little bit of green plus thoda brown जो burnt sienna या raw umber अगर आपके पास है. You can see I'm just putting dots over the blue which is still wet, and that will give some nice effects. You can see it's like the foliage of tree leaves where background mein there's blue color. So don't make a sharp line, just put dots and make sure everything is moist, everything, the paper. So here you can see how moist the paper is. You can see how much water is already there. While all this water is still there on paper, you are going to spray some water. We are going to sprinkle some water, not spray some water. So even if you don't have the spray, it's absolutely okay. You can see how much only my fingers are just like a little wet, and I've not taken a lot of water. And the distance from the paper is about 2 or 3 inches, and I'm sprinkling water. Okay, you keep the paper vertical and you can just sprinkle, and you remember how moist the paper was. So this step is a little important to get this texture. And yeah, this is I think step 1. You allow it to dry.